What's up, guys? It's me, Jixus B, back with another video for you. And today I got just a quick little tip. Customer came in complaining when they turn and accelerate, they hear a popping noise. So if that happens to you, definitely you want to check at your axle. If you turn and hear a popping noise, let me show you. Right there, your axle boot. Means it's most likely busted and all the grease is gone and the knuckle is exposed, and it will make a popping noise. Just a quick tip for you. If you're hearing that, it's time to replace your axles. See you later. Peace out.